Hey everyone, Linus here. Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the world of technology and gaming. Today, we have something truly special lined up for you. Today, we're talking about building your very own gaming PC. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or just starting out, building a PC can be one of the most rewarding experiences. Not only do you get to customize every aspect of your machine, but you also gain a deeper understanding of how each component works together to deliver the ultimate gaming experience. It's a dream for many, and I'm here to tell you, it's totally achievable. With the right guidance and a bit of patience, you can build a gaming PC that rivals the best pre-built systems on the market. And the best part, you'll have the satisfaction of knowing you built it yourself. Imagine this: buttery smooth frame rates, stunning visuals, and the satisfaction of building it yourself. Picture yourself diving into your favorite games with graphics settings maxed out, experiencing every detail in crystal clear quality. The thrill of seeing your creation come to life is unmatched. It's an awesome feeling. Let's get started. First, we'll go over the essential components you'll need. From the CPU to the GPU, each part plays a crucial role in your PC's performance. We'll discuss how to choose the right components based on your budget and gaming needs. Building a PC is like assembling a puzzle. Each piece has its place, and when everything comes together, it creates a powerful machine capable of handling the latest games and applications. We'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you understand each part's function and how to install it correctly. Each part is crucial for performance. The CPU, or central processing unit, is the brain of your computer, handling all the instructions it receives from software and hardware. The GPU, or graphics processing unit, is responsible for rendering images, videos, and animations. Together they form the core of your gaming PC. We'll pick components that work well together. Compatibility is key when building a PC. We'll show you how to choose parts that complement each other, ensuring you get the best performance possible. From the motherboard to the power supply, every component must be carefully selected to avoid bottlenecks and ensure smooth operation. This ensures a smooth and powerful gaming experience. With the right components, your PC will be able to handle the most demanding games with ease. You'll enjoy faster load times, higher frame rates, and an overall better gaming experience. Plus, you'll have the flexibility to upgrade your system in the future as new technologies emerge. Get ready for some serious fun. Once your PC is built, the real fun begins. You'll be able to dive into your favorite games, explore new worlds, and connect with friends online. The sense of accomplishment you'll feel from building your own gaming PC is something you won't forget. So let's get started and make your gaming dreams a reality. Before we dive in, let's talk about compatibility. When building a PC, it's crucial to ensure that all the components you choose can work together seamlessly. This means understanding the specifications and requirements of each part. Every component needs to play nicely with the others. For instance, your CPU must be compatible with your motherboard, and your power supply should be able to handle the power requirements of all your components. We don't want any bottlenecks. Think of it like a sports team. Just as every player has a role to play, each PC component has a specific function. If one player or component underperforms, the whole team or system suffers. Every player needs to be good for the team to win. Similarly, every component in your PC needs to be up to the task to ensure smooth performance. A high-end GPU won't perform well if paired with a low-end CPU and vice versa. We'll choose a CPU, GPU, RAM, motherboard, storage, power supply, and case. Each of these components plays a vital role in the overall performance of your PC. The CPU, or central processing unit, is the brain of your computer, handling most of the processing tasks. Don't worry, I'll explain what each one does. The GPU, or graphics processing unit, is responsible for rendering images and videos, making it crucial for gaming and graphic design. RAM, or random access memory, is your system's short-term memory, allowing for quick access to data. We'll find the perfect balance between performance and budget. It's important to choose components that not only meet your performance needs, but also fit within your budget. We'll compare different options and find the best value for your money. Let's build a beast of a machine. By carefully selecting each component and ensuring compatibility, we'll create a high-performance PC that meets all your needs, whether it's for gaming, content creation, or everyday use. Get ready to experience the power of a well-built machine. The CPU is like the brain of your PC. It handles all the calculations and instructions. For gaming, we need a powerful CPU that can keep up with the demands of modern games. We'll go with a multi-core processor. More cores mean better multitasking and smoother gameplay. We'll look for a CPU with a high clock speed too. This determines how fast the CPU processes information. Trust me, your games will thank you. Next up is the GPU, the visual powerhouse of your gaming rig. It renders all those stunning graphics and makes your games look amazing. We need a GPU with enough VRAM or video memory to handle high resolutions and textures. Look for a card with a good amount of CUDA cores or stream processors depending on the brand. These are like the worker bees of the GPU, and more is always better. RAM, or memory, is where your PC stores data it needs to access quickly. Think of it as your computer's short-term memory. When you open a program or a file, it gets loaded into the RAM so that your CPU can access it much faster than if it had to retrieve it from the hard drive every time. This is why having more RAM can significantly improve your computer's performance, especially when multitasking. More RAM means smoother multitasking and faster loading times. Imagine you're working on a project that requires you to have multiple applications open at once, like a web browser with several tabs, a word processor, and maybe even a video editing software. With more RAM, your computer can handle all these tasks simultaneously without slowing down. This is particularly important for gamers, video editors, and anyone who uses resource-intensive applications. The motherboard is like the foundation of your PC. It's the main circuit board that holds and allows communication between many of the crucial electronic components of your system, such as the CPU, RAM, and other hardware. Think of it as the backbone that connects all the different parts of your computer, ensuring they work together seamlessly. It connects all the components together. The motherboard has various slots and connectors for different components, including RAM slots, PCIe slots for graphics cards, and SATA connectors for storage devices. It also houses the BIOS, which is the firmware that initializes and tests your hardware during the boot-up process. Without a motherboard, your computer wouldn't be able to function. We'll choose one that's compatible with our CPU and has all the features we need. When selecting a motherboard, it's crucial to ensure that it supports your chosen CPU's socket type and has enough slots for your RAM and other components. Additionally, you'll want to consider the form factor, which determines the size of the motherboard and the type of case it will fit into. Features like built-in Wi-Fi, multiple USB ports, and advanced cooling solutions can also be important depending on your needs. For storage, we'll go with a solid-state drive or SSD. Unlike traditional hard drives, SSDs have no moving parts, which makes them more reliable and much faster. They use flash memory to store data, which allows for quicker read and write speeds. This means that your computer can boot up, load applications, and transfer files much faster than with a traditional hard drive. SSDs are super fast and will make your PC boot up in seconds. Imagine turning on your computer and being ready to go in just a few moments, rather than waiting several minutes for everything to load. This speed advantage is particularly noticeable when launching large applications or games, as well as when transferring large files. Plus, your games will load incredibly fast. Gamers will appreciate the reduced loading times, which means less waiting and more playing. Whether you're jumping into a new game or loading a saved file, an SSD can make the experience much smoother and more enjoyable. Overall, investing in a good SSD is one of the best upgrades you can make to improve your computer's performance. Power supply and case: the unsung heroes. The power supply unit, or PSU, provides power to all the components in your PC. It's important to choose a PSU with enough wattage to handle your system. We'll also pick a case that provides good airflow to keep our components cool. A cool PC runs smoother and lasts longer. Don't underestimate the importance of these components. They might not be flashy, but they are essential. Building time, let's get our hands dirty. Now comes the fun part, assembling our PC. Don't worry, it's easier than you might think. We'll start by installing the CPU on the motherboard. Then we'll add the RAM, SSD, and GPU. Next, we'll mount the motherboard in the case and connect all the cables. Finally, we'll install the operating system and drivers. It's like putting together a high-tech Lego set. Budget tips: gaming without breaking the bank. Building a gaming PC doesn't have to be expensive. There are plenty of ways to save money without sacrificing performance. Look for sales and discounts on components. You can also consider buying refurbished parts, which can save you a lot of money. Remember, it's all about finding the right balance between performance and budget. You can build an awesome gaming PC without emptying your wallet. Game on! My PC build is complete. Congratulations! You've built your very own gaming PC. Now it's time to fire it up and experience the magic. Install your favorite games, crank up the settings, and get ready for an amazing gaming experience. There's nothing quite like the feeling of playing games on a PC you built yourself. Enjoy the smooth frame rates, stunning graphics, and the satisfaction of knowing you did it all yourself. Happy gaming!